What if your home could travel anywhere in the world? From mountain passes to deserts, coastlines to cities, RVs in 2025 are no longer just campers. They are luxury homes on wheels, off-grid adventure machines, and symbols of complete freedom today. I'm showing you the top 10 best RVs in the world for 2025, recognized by leading RV publications, trusted reviewers, and global RV communities. These are not concepts. These are real RVs shaping the market right now. Number 10. Adria Aviva. The Adria Aviva regularly appears on European best value caravan lists. What makes it stand out? Lightweight construction, strong insulation, clean, modern design. What makes it unique? One of the lightest caravans in its size class, making it easy to tow even with smaller vehicles. A smart and accessible entry into RV travel. Number 9. Leica Cosmo L105. The Leica Cosmo L105 is consistently highly rated among compact motorhomes. Designed for couples, urban travel, mountain, and narrow road touring. What makes it unique? Premium Italian interior quality in a motorhome under 6 meters. Rare in this segment. Compact outside, refined inside. Number 8. Pilote Galaxy G740FC Evidence. This RV is often praised for long-distance comfort and ride quality, best suited for extended road trips, calm, relaxed touring. What makes it unique? Excellent thermal and noise insulation, making it ideal for multi-week journeys. Built for travelers who enjoy the journey as much as the destination. Number 7. Itineo SBD 700. The Itineo SBD 700 is frequently mentioned in discussions about family-friendly motorhomes. Clearly designed for families. Separate sleeping zones. Large dining area, practical storage solutions. What makes it unique? One of the most open interiors in its class. Children can actually move around comfortably. Made for real family life on the road. EARTHCRUISER 6 Auto Trail XL 620S, United Kingdom. This motorhome is consistently described as a top compact option by UK RV reviewers. Why it works? Easy to drive. Simple, efficient layout, stress-free ownership. What makes it unique? Excellent payload capacity for its size. You can carry gear without worrying about weight limits. Ideal for first-time motorhome buyers. Number 5. Malibu Genius 641 LE, Germany. Widely regarded as one of the most innovative campervan designs in Europe. Why it stands out? Sliding bathroom concept. High-end materials, modular interior layout. What makes it unique? The bathroom appears only when needed, freeing up daily living space. A campervan designed with intelligence, not compromise. Number 4. Winnebago REVEL. The Winnebago REVEL is not new, but it remains one of the most respected off-road RVs in the world. Why it still dominates? Proven reliability, strong off-grid capability, adventure-first design philosophy. What makes it unique? Designed around independence. Minimal luxury, maximum capability. A modern classic in the off-road RV world. Number 3. EARTHCRUISER. Now we go truly global. EARTHCRUISER vehicles are widely regarded as some of the most capable expedition RVs on the planet. Built for extreme terrain, remote locations, long-term off-grid travel. What makes it unique? Military-grade construction and proven overland credibility worldwide. This RV doesn't follow roads, it ignores them. Number 2. NIESMANN plus BISCHOFF. ARTO 78, often listed among Europe's most luxurious production motorhomes. What sets it apart? Designer-level interiors, hotel-style comfort, exceptional build quality. What makes it unique? Interior craftsmanship that feels closer to a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Premium luxury without entering extreme truck-based territory. Number 1. MORELO Palace Liner. Let's be very clear here. This is not the best RV for everyone, but it is widely regarded as the most luxurious, money-no-object production RV you can buy today. Why it earns the top spot? Residential-scale living space, heavy-duty truck chassis, true full-time luxury. What makes it unique? Designed as a permanent luxury home that just happens to move. This is not camping. This is rolling real estate. So the real question is, would you choose compact freedom, family adventure, extreme exploration, or ultimate luxury? If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite RV below. Because in 2025, home isn't where you park, it's how far you dare to go.